Hello, welcome with a new video. I'm using an old version of Mac OS El Capitan that you can see in here. Sometimes my iMovie crashes. This is due to iMovie cannot hold on to a very large files because it's an old version of the iMovie and also the operating system. As you can see, I'm using a 9 iMovie9 here. So how can you avoid how can you retrieve iMovie working back when it is crashing like this? You see, it's not loading my project. See, it's struggling to load. See, it crashes it, and it's showing you one error message. And then even if you try to reopen it, it doesn't resolve the problem. See, he's struggling to load. Yeah, crashed again. Okay, so I've got an idea that I learned by reading a lot and looking into lots of videos. So I would like to share that so it may benefit some of you. Keep watching. First of all, we must locate our event files and the project files. In my case, I put them in my partition 1. Most of the time, it's inside the user and the movies and iMovies events. Now inside the events, these files have been created as event files. I'm just looking at them, their sizes. So in this computer, through my experience, I learned like 1280 times 720p. That's the size it takes, and if it is a little bit more than like 1080p, sometimes it crashes. So I rather don't take that risk for my computer. So it depends on the computers as well. If it is a little bit slightly later version, then it may support 1080p. But my one creates troubles. Even if I have too much events created, then it crashes and exits. So I don't take that risk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of those event files and then make iMovie work again. And that's the trick I found. Okay, so let's go on and check whether our trick have worked or not. Here you go. Here you go, it's working now. You see, the main trouble was the computer cannot hold, he can't handle the big files, and since it's an older version, that's the reason. So the idea is whatever you want to create, just create with a 720p size, and then once you completed your project, then delete it and do not attempt to create a large file. So create it with small clips, and then later you can compile them. That's the trick of it. And hope this video benefits. Uh, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much.